It's story time. Reading a book, The Big Pancake. Woman, boys, man, hen, pig, cat, dog, big pancake. A woman had 7 little boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 little boys were very hungry. The woman made a pancake. It was a very big pancake. "We will eat it up," said the 7 little boys. But the big pancake jumped up and ran away. "Stop! We are very hungry," said the woman. The big pancake did not stop. A hungry man saw the big pancake. "I will eat you up," said the man. But the big pancake ran on. Next, a hungry cat saw the big pancake. "Come here, meow, I will eat you," said the hungry cat. But the big pancake did not stop. Then a hungry dog saw the big pancake. "Stop, woof, woof, I will eat you up," said the dog. But the big pancake did not stop. It just ran away. Next, a hungry hen saw the big pancake. "Come here, I will eat you all up," said the hungry hen. But the big pancake just ran away. Just then, the big pancake saw a deep river. "Help!" said the big pancake. "I will help you," said the pig. "Come here and jump on." "Help! The river is too deep," said the big pancake. "Come on," said the pig. "Jump up here." "The river is too deep," said the big pancake. "Help!" "Just jump up here," said the pig. But the pig was a very hungry pig. "Snap, snap," said the pig. And the pig had all the big pancake. Pancake, pancake. Run away, run away. Chase, chase. River, river. Deep, shallow, deep, shallow.